So out with the old and in with the new. Today we're going to be installing the Ryzen 5 5600. First we're going to start by taking off this glass on the PC. Once we got the glass off, then we're going to remove the GPU so we can access the CPU. So once we got the GPU off, then it's time to take the fan off on the CPU. Once you get your old CPU out, then it's time to install the new CPU. Just make sure when you're installing the CPU to the motherboard that you line this little arrow up on it. So once you get your CPU installed on your motherboard, then it's time to install the fan. This fan comes pre-installed with a thermo paste on the back. All you do is plug it in and tighten it up and you're ready to go. And just like that, it's all installed. This was very easy to install. It didn't take me but a few minutes. Let's get it booted up.